The Calgary real estate market in April 2026 has thrown us a curveball, and if you're not paying attention, it could cost you thousands. What I'm seeing in the data right now is a subtle but significant shift that most agents aren't even talking about yet. I'm Kristen, and as an acreage and luxury specialist in Calgary, I'm dedicated to helping clients navigate these high stakes transitions with clarity and confidence. I live and breathe the Calgary market, from the estate homes in Springbank Hill to the expansive properties in Foothills County. Today, you'll discover the critical changes impacting home prices, inventory, and buyer demand this April, and exactly what that means for your strategy. And by the way, if you're thinking about making a move to Calgary or the surrounding acreage communities, I get calls and emails every single day from people just like you, and I absolutely love it. So, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, there's a link in the description to book a free, no pressure consultation with me. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth and strategic move. Let's start with the big picture. April 2026 has shown a fascinating dichotomy. While benchmark prices across Calgary have continued their slow, steady ascent, now sitting at an average of around $580,000 for all property types, the real story is in the inventory. We've seen an unexpected surge in listings, particularly in the detached and semi detached sectors. This isn't a flood, but it's a significant increase compared to April of last year, which was historically tight. What this means is that while demand is still robust, buyers are starting to have a few more options than they've seen in recent months. This is a crucial point for those looking in areas like Lake Bonavista or Cranston, where inventory has been notoriously low. So, who has the upper hand right now? It's becoming a more balanced market, but with nuances. For sellers, especially in the $600,000 to $1 million range, proper pricing and presentation are more critical than ever. Gone are the days where any listing would get multiple offers sight unseen. Buyers are more discerning, and with increased inventory, they're willing to wait for the right property. I recently worked with a client selling in Tuscany, and by strategically staging and pricing it right, we still generated significant interest. However, if you're over optimistic with your price, your property will sit. On the other hand, buyers are finding they have slightly more negotiation room, especially if a home has been on the market for more than 10 to 14 days. This is a big change from even 6 months ago. Interest rates continue to be the elephant in the room. While we haven't seen dramatic shifts this month, the sustained higher rates are definitely impacting affordability and buyer psychology. This is particularly noticeable in the first time buyer segment and trickles up to the luxury market. However, the acreage market, my specialty, is showing remarkable resilience. Properties above $1 million, especially in areas like Foothills County and Rocky View County, are still moving well. Why? Because these buyers are often less sensitive to minor rate fluctuations and are driven by a long term lifestyle and wealth generation strategy. They're seeking the guts of the land, the wells, septic systems, and zoning that I help them understand and protect. They're investing in legacy, not just a house. Here's where it gets really granular. While overall Calgary numbers are useful, real estate is hyper local. What's happening in Seaton might be completely different from Springbank Hill. For instance, the luxury market in Southwest Calgary is seeing strong demand for move up buyers, while certain master planned communities in the South are experiencing increased competition due to new phases. My advice: don't rely solely on broad brushstrokes. Get specific data for your target neighborhood. Looking ahead, I anticipate this trend of increased inventory to continue into early summer, which could create a fantastic window for strategic buyers. For sellers, it means being proactive and ensuring your property stands out. This isn't a market for set it and forget it. So, whether you're looking to make a strategic move within Calgary or you're dreaming of that perfect acreage lifestyle in Foothills or Rocky View County, Understanding these nuances is key. If you found this market update helpful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more Calgary real estate insight. And remember, if you're ready to start planning your next chapter, click that link in the description to book a consultation with me. I'm here to help you make powerful, informed decisions.